So what happens when you make a sale? Does it look like this? Yes, we should celebrate, but maybe in a different way than you might think. All right, so you're thinking about buying something, you've been investigating. Might be a new car, a piano, new patio furniture. Maybe you've spoken to a salesperson or two. You've done your research, and then you make the call. A salesperson asks you to buy, and you say yes. Question: how are you feeling right now? The answer to that question largely depends upon the salesperson. I want to make a suggestion right here and right now. I might also make the suggestion over there and later. Might I suggest that if you are excited for your customer when they purchase, be sure to let your face know. Because oftentimes I see a customer make a purchase decision and the salesperson's response looks a little like this. It's nothing spectacular, just kind of like, nice. But what did you just do? You just robbed your customer of a significant moment, the chance to celebrate what just happened. The long and grueling process is over. They have solved their problem. They don't have to search anymore. They're moving on with their new and better life. And yet the salesperson treats the moment like a high schooler getting a birthday card from grandma with a whole dollar in it. Please, please don't do that. Let's get creative here. Let's pause and think about how we can let that moment breathe. How can you memorialize what just happened? Your customer just made a decision. How do you celebrate? Let me give you a couple of ideas on how to do that. First, engage the emotion. That means you have to take the emotional lead. When the customer's made that decision, be happy, be excited. Make sure that they can see that you are excited for them and for how their life is about to improve. Second opportunity, take a picture. Take a picture right there. You're standing next to what they've been thinking about for a long time. Capture that moment, and capture that moment while the emotion is high. When they look at that picture in the future, they'll think back to a very, very happy time. A third idea here to memorialize that moment, point to the future. Immediately remind them of how great their life is about to be. Listen, just think of the benefits here. You're raising the customer's emotional altitude, you're cementing that sale, and you're planting a seed for a referral. Celebrate the sale. In fact, celebrate all your victories. Celebrating makes us happy. If you haven't done so yet, pick up a victory journal like the one on the screen right now. We sell these 365 days of victory journals at shop.jeffshore.com because it's an easy way to develop the habit of celebrating every win. And when we celebrate our victories, we stay out of the coulda, woulda, shoulda gap. If you're a sales leader, this will be an invaluable morale-boosting exercise for your team to go through during all your weekly sales rallies in 2021. Head over to shop.jeffshore.com today, and you'll get your journals in hand before the new year. The link is also in the description below. In the meantime, my friends, learn more to earn more.